What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video, and for those of you who have not watched any of my videos before, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root, weight gain hacks, skincare hacks, just how to glow the heck up, period. Alright, and I'm usually really on top of it when it comes to posting. I have a bunch of videos. As you can see, I've been doing this for about 2 years. And yeah, for about 2 years. Honestly, wait, it has been 2 years. Yeah, I've been doing this. Wow, that's crazy. But my point is that I post pretty consistently. With everything that's been going on lately, I couldn't, you know what I'm saying? There are other things that we need to address. And although some of you may want to hear it, may not, I have to address it, period. R.I.P. to George Floyd. R.I.P. to Ahmaud Arbery, R.I.P. to Breonna Taylor. Literally, the list goes on and on and on. And it's got to stop. Yeah, we're taking steps in the right direction. Everybody knows what just happened. But it's crazy. It's really crazy. And we can only hope for the best. This is the time. Stick together. Let's not turn against one another, you know? With that being said, I'm going to get straight into the video. I am not a health fanatic by any means, but I try to find and use natural things that will benefit hair, skin, nails, all of that. So my skin clearly is not where I want it to be, but I want that glass skin. I've had way better skin than what you're seeing right now, but I am on a journey to get back there, okay? And for those of you, you probably have already seen a bunch of videos about it. I've watched videos about it, and that is what caused me to eventually purchase it myself. Now let me say this, to purchase it was not easy. Every time I would go to purchase it from AKEEM, PIERRE, and others, sold out. And by the time I would even get an email like, hey, it's in stock again, when I would go and check, sold out. Hot commodity. It's not a game, but rightfully so. Sea moss helps with digestion, apparently, the digestive system. It helps with, if you have mucus and like sinus problems and all of that, it apparently clears all of that up. It is good for hair. It is good for skin. It's kind of, it's honestly, it is a superfood that's good for several things, okay? And when you purchase it, it's great to get it from the Caribbean. That's probably ideal, okay? If you see it coming from other places, you know, do your research. I'll just say that, do your research, okay? So keep in mind that, yes, I wanted to get it from AKEEM, and I could not. I had been searching for quite some time. So, and I'd watched several videos. West Indie Ray's video, check her video out. OTOTE is where I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. If not, I sincerely apologize. Check his videos out. He has several on sea moss and just other things in general as far as health goes, okay? But I found it via his video and link, thank God. And he had one link for Amazon that was in the UK, so I was like, ah, shoot. But what I realized is on his chart, he had another link for the US Amazon to purchase it. So I was able to get it, and I bought it. It is a pound. Simply sea moss from Mega Plants, okay? And honestly, like, I'm surprised that this is goes a long way. I know I say that with a lot of products and reviews that I do, but that's what I love. A little bit goes a long way. When I first ordered this was $30 off of Amazon, okay? And like I said, it's a pound. I was like, man, I'm probably gonna get a little shrivel up something. What is it really going to do for me? But no, you guys, I blended mine up. I blended this up, added the water, did everything you're supposed to do, soak it. If you want me to do a video on that, I most definitely will, but there are several videos on how to make your own sea moss gel, right? So this Irish sea moss gel I went ahead and made, And not only do I have, you can see I've already consumed some. I've been taking this literally for a couple days now. So I can't give you any benefits and how I've been feeling as of yet, because, you know, it hasn't really been that much time. But I'll definitely do like a week update and let you know. Yeah, so you can put this in soups, you can put this in dessert, you can put this in smoothies. You all know, again, who've been watching me, that I drink smoothies on the regular. I put my maca in my smoothies, all of that. So this is nothing to just drop this in there. I need to go and buy more protein powder, so I have not been putting it in my smoothies. Y'all are gonna say I'm crazy. Listen, give me the source, fam. I've literally just eaten this straight up. I know that's crazy. You don't even need like a tablespoon a day. I took 2 tablespoons today. I took 2 tablespoons yesterday. Did I start the day before? No, it was yesterday and today. Yeah, I took 2 tablespoons. So I'm not playing. You don't even have to take that much, but I guess sometimes I get anxious. I was like, let me reap these benefits ASAP so I can tell y'all what's going on. But yeah, you want to blend it up to where it's a thick paste like this, like a gel. I have some in this jar, and then I have some in a bowl that I have in the fridge. That is going to last me quite some time. So a pound will last you for a minute, is what I've realized, because this jar ain't gonna get finished no time soon. I mean, I guess if I, you know, have 2 tablespoons a day, then maybe it won't last me as long as it should, and I'll slow down. But I just wanted to really just show y'all how, you know, this is a handful, mind you. So this is a handful inside of this jar. So one thing to note is that it definitely expands by the time you put it in water. You want to let it soak, okay? You want to get all the sediment off of it and whatnot. By the time you let that soak for 8 to 24 hours in the fridge, that thing expands. So what you're seeing, literally, like I said, fills a jar and a bowl, and that's a handful that I took out. I didn't take out a whole leaf. I literally just took my hand and said, okay, boom, that's it. And it literally does go a long way. Now, the thing about sea moss is, not only can you put it in soups and desserts and smoothies, I have used it as a face mask. Again, my skin is not glass just yet, so please don't judge it. Realize that I have just started using this. But when I say that it did really feel smooth afterwards, it felt really smooth after I took, and excuse my nails, I literally just took off my polish. But when I say that it literally had my skin really smooth afterwards, not only am I using this on my face, but I am using it all over my body where I have dark marks, you know, that I'm trying to get rid of, blemishes. Kojic acid soap does also work, as well as Koji Sans acid soap. Those things definitely do work. So I'm using all of those things on a regular too, just to try to even everything out and make sure that my skin is on point, as well as sunscreen. But just know that these things really do even out your skin, right? And so there are several videos that you can watch about sea moss. Some people do mix the sea moss with other things. I straight up put the gel on my face. This is what I did. I put it on my face for like 10-15 minutes, and then I washed my face, which, if you want me to do a morning skincare routine video, comment, let me know. I'll definitely do that, because as you know, for those of you who've been watching me, I also have been on my aloe juice game, my aloe vera juice game, heavy, okay? I've also been using that on my skin and body. So I think the combination of the sea moss and the aloe vera gel is about to be crazy, because the aloe vera gel alone, using that on my face and body, I feel like it does help. Now, mind you, yes, I have a couple pimples right now. You know, again, it's coming up to that time, listen, but again, I feel like if I just keep drinking a bunch of water and I stay on this sea moss situation, that I'm going to be okay. And I implore you all to look into sea moss as well. I will leave the link in the description to where, like I said, I got this off of Amazon, but I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go ahead and purchase it. It was $30. And I'm actually very impressed, because I thought I was getting some little whingy little piece of sea moss for $30. But no, this is good. This is really good. And sometimes you can't trust the reviews, as you know, because yeah, sometimes whatever. So yeah, it does taste very seaweedy, very, very seaweedy. But by the time you put it in smoothie and stuff, then that taste goes away. You can put it in teas, okay? You can make drinks out of it, all of that good stuff. I was just on one. I don't even know what to say, and I was being very bold, and I said, bump this, let me get these nutrients straight up. Let me see what it does. And I also kind of wanted to just do that and then give you guys my review. I'm used to taking things and drinking things, eating things that may not taste the greatest, but if they're good for me, I don't care. That's just how I go. Some people, they're like, if something don't taste good, I can't do it. Again, you don't take it straight up like I did. I just was being very bold. You feel me? So yeah, you don't have to don't try it at home if you don't want. Definitely put it in soups and smoothie and all that kind of stuff. That's what you want to do, okay? That is pretty much the gist of this video. If you want to see how I actually made it, then I will most definitely do that for you as well. Gel is going to last me for a minute. When I'm going to constantly do updates, just as I've done with the MACA, with this sea moss journey. I will do the same thing. I have been using the tretinoin cream. I have been. I think though that because of, again, my hormonal situations, I haven't been taking MACA for a minute. And yeah, I'll definitely keep you posted, alright? So thanks so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. For those of you who've been watching me and rocking with me, I appreciate it. Hit the bell for notifications, because if you don't, then you might not always see when I post, but I am going to be on it, you know what I mean? And again, RIP to those who've lost their lives to police brutality and injustice. It's just wrong. It's inhumane. It's not right. And justice has to be served, period. Okay, so thank you all so much for tuning in. And I'll holla.